Hello viewers, myself Tasneem. For more videos, please subscribe my channel and click on the icon bell. In this session, I am going to explain you how to balance any chemical equations easily by using a mathematical method. First of all, if we see an example, if we burning the butane in the presence of oxygen, it gives rise to carbon dioxide and water, and we need to substitute the values as A, B, C, D besides the elements. For example, by adding the oxygen to the reaction, it becomes an oxidation reaction, and that it is also a combustion reaction. And according to the law called law of conservation of mass, number of reactants equals to number of products. It means left side elements is equals to right side elements. This law is called as law of conservation of mass. We know about that. And if you consider one of the element, first element is carbon. Atomic number of the carbon is 6, hydrogen is 1, and oxygen is 8. Now let us see about carbon. If you look about carbon, here carbon is 4a. 4a equals to right side C, and hydrogen. Hydrogen means 10. 10 into A, 10a equals to here 2 into D, 2D. And now let us see about oxygen. Oxygen means 2. 2 into B, 2B. And that equals to 2. 2 into C, 2C. That 2 plus 1 into D, 1D. So we derived three equations, that is carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. And the common variable in all these three is A. So we need to consider A as 1. By substituting the value of A, that is 1, in this equation, we get C equals to 4. So we derive now two values, that is C and that is A. Okay, we get A and C. Now let us see about D. 2D equals to 10A. It means D equals to 10A by 2. We know the value of A is 1. Already we derived. By 2. 10 by 2, it means 5. We also derived the value called D. Now we get three values, that is A, C, D. And now let us see about B. So if we substituting the values in this equation, we get the value as B equals to 13 by 2. How means 2B equals to 2C plus 2D. We know the value of C, that is 4, and D 5. 2 4s are 8 plus 5, that is equals to 13. 2B equals to 13 means B equals to 13 by 2. We also get the value called B equals to 13 by 2. So we get all the four values called A, B, C, D. And by substituting that values in the equation becomes C4H10 plus 13 moles of oxygen, 13 by 2 moles of oxygen plus 4 moles of carbon dioxide plus 5 moles of hydrogen. Okay, this is our equation by substituting the values. Numerator value is 2. If we multiply the numerator with 2, we get the balanced equation is 2 moles of butane plus 13 moles of oxygen gives rise to 8 moles of carbon dioxide plus 10 moles of water. Okay, by substituting the values, we get these balanced equation. Okay, balanced equation is 2 moles of butane plus 13 moles of oxygen is equals to 8 moles of carbon dioxide plus 10 moles of water. Okay, so this is called balanced equation. In this way, we can easily balance any chemical equation easily. Okay, now I will explain this again briefly. Let us make the values as A, B, C, D. And we know what is reaction, and it is a combustion and it is an oxidation also. By law of conservation of mass, number of reactants equals to number of products. It means left side elements equals to right side elements. If we consider the three elements, that is carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen, by substituting the values, we get the four values, that is A, B, C, and D. By substituting in our equation, which is given in the question, we get this value. The equation is in the form of fraction, so we need to convert this fraction equation into normal equational method. So we can multiply the numerator into the whole equation, means we get finally balanced equation. That balanced equation is 2 moles of butane plus 13 moles of oxygen gives rise to 8 moles of carbon dioxide plus 10 moles of water. So in this way we can balance any chemical equations easily. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel. For more videos, click on the icon bell. Thank you so much. My channel name is Jabeen channel. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Please subscribe my channel. Don't forget subscribe my channel. Thank you, viewers. Thank you so much.